Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Kirandeep.
Kiran, are you a student or you are in a job?
I am a student, ma'am, pursuing my IELTS, and I'm planning to go abroad for higher education.
What is your present qualification?
+2 in commerce field.
And in from which school you have completed your graduation in schooling?
I have completed my graduation from Renaissance School, Panupli Main Road. It is affiliated to CBSE board.
Right, it is. And what was your most favorite subject when you were studying in 10th standard?
When I was in 10th standard, I believe going down the memory lane, I liked studying biology, and it was my favorite subject, and I was able to score the best and the highest marks in that subject.
And could you tell me the reason why you love biology the most?
I loved it for the two reasons. First of all, firstly, the teacher who taught me biology subject was she was very nice person, kind-hearted person. She used to deal with me with very polite and humble attitude. Moreover, secondly, I love biology because I was able to get a wide knowledge about the human body, and also various of hormones and functions of a human body.
Right, it is. And could you tell me how many students were there in your school?
Well, I have a blur picture in my mind, and when I was studying in the 10th standard, there were around about 40 students in my classroom.
There were 40 students in your class. And what about the students in your school?
In my school, I believe approx 3,000 students were studying.
And why did you choose that particular school?
I chose that particular school because it's quite famous in my town, and my elder cousins were, my elder sisters were, brothers were also studying in that school, and they had a great experience, and they recommended me that it's the best school to pursue your education. Moreover, it is affiliated to ICSE, and nowadays English schools are more preferred by students. That's it.
And now tell me that how often do you write with hand?
Quite often, I write everything using my right hand, and
Yes, right, it is. I write using my right hand, and
I perform every task by writing, and I make less use of other technologies to perform the writing task.
do you agree that we should write in beautiful handwriting?
Yes, I do believe in it, and it's the truth. If one writes in a beautiful handwriting, it gives a pleasing look to the to anything we write, and also one gets more interested in reading that particular thing.
Is your handwriting easy to read for other people?
Yes, I believe it's quite easy to read my handwriting, and as I write it in the most beautiful and the cursive handwriting, as I have been taught from nursery standard to write in a beautiful and in a perfect order.
And can you tell about some person whose handwriting is really beautiful?
Well, if I talk about a person whom I know whose handwriting is the best, is my cousin sister. She writes in very beautiful manner, and one gets easily attractive towards her handwriting, and teachers also used to appreciate her for her writing. And I ask her to teach me the trick that she uses while writing, and she performs everything in a good in not only a good handwriting, but also in quick time management.
Quick time management. Do you, now I am having a few questions on Sky. Do you like to watch Sky?
Yes, I love watching Sky, as it give me kind of joy, and also I believe that God has created this beautiful universe, and if I get a chance to look at the sky, and when I look at the sky, I feel very happy, and I see the chirping birds flying in the sky.
How often do you see Sky?
Quite often, almost every day, I love seeing sky.
Do you prefer to see sky in the morning or at night?
Well, both in morning as well as in night. In night, I see the sky because I love stars, and in the morning, though there is scorching heat, but scorching sun, but I love seeing sky because there are beautiful birds that are flying.
I love watching
Watching.
sky in the morning because in the morning when the sun rises, the different patterns appear on the canvas of sky. So I love to see the changing patterns, and the chirping birds flying in the sky add to the beauty. Is there a good place to look at the sky where you live?
Yes, I live in a small town that is free of pollution, and I love seeing sky for the reason that it appear very beautiful in the morning, and also the birds that are flying in the sky gives it an additional beauty.
And moreover, you could say that I have a house at a place that where there are no big buildings. So definitely I have a clear view of the sky, and many times I go on the roof of my house, and from there I just love to watch. Can you see the moon and the stars? This is, I believe, the same question. Do you care to look at the sky?
Yes, as I earlier said, I love looking at the sky, and I look at the sky quite often from the roof of my house.
Okay, my last set of questions are on laughing. So tell me, how often do you laugh?
I laugh quite often. I love laughing, and I believe if one laughs, the smile on my face make others also laugh.
Yes, right, it is. And laughter is believed to be a good medicine. Do you usually make your friends laugh?
Yes, I quite often make my friends laugh by cracking a silly joke, but they laugh to make me cheer up as well. And I sometimes I perform such things that make them.
That make them laugh again. And you can say that I'm very chirpy by nature, I'm jovial by nature, and I believe that I have good sense of humor that can make people laugh and can keep me happy too. When was the last time you laughed?
I laugh 2-3 seconds.
I laughed in
2-3 seconds before.
Yes, right. It is when we started our conversation in this interview session, there was some mistake, I believe, and we were laughing at that. So, in which situation do people generally laugh?
I believe whenever there is a happy situation or a funny situation, or if someone crack a silly joke, there is a laughter in the family as well as in the friends. And sometimes I believe that in the most saddest situation, I am unable to control my laughter.
Yes, right it is, and right it is. And when another common reason I believe is that when we make silly mistakes, we laugh at our mistakes, we find it difficult to control the laughter. Do you think it is important for friends to have good sense of humor?
Yes, I believe it is very important to have a good sense of humor among between friends, as it not only makes their bonds strong, but also helps in spreading laughter among each other.
Even you can say that the situation that can lead to some serious consequences can be settled easily. If people have good sense of humor, they can take it in a lighter tone. So right, it is Kiran, you are doing really good because you are speaking in a very natural way as you do, and you keep chirping all the time with a smile, with the passion you are going, and I hope that you are going to bring good result.
Thank you.
I wish you luck.
Thank you.
Yes, good. Thank you.